show them the flag. Damn, what's up, guys? Should we post these up on the website or what? Look at that. God damn it. God damn it. We just gotta make it double-sided. Almost forgot the key, boys.
We must pay homage to him.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to the video. Okay, so the work day is over. We're gonna start vlogging. We're gonna head out to CNT's house and we're gonna be doing a true cool 40K transmission cooler for the Denali finally. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time and he's finally got around to sponsoring me, so let's go ahead and go do it. And coming along, you already know, my boy Renee. Sorry, this whole video is gonna be zoomed in like this because I do not have my camera bag and with my zoomed out lens, so let's go. But you guys seen that badass flag, huh? What you guys think? Should we post that up on the website or what? 20 bucks a pop, let me know. I don't even have my mic either, damn. I'm gonna try to make this vlog as good as I can, guys. Let's roll. Off to Miraloma. Okay, Mr. 4-point great. My poor tail light right there just sticking out. Did you hear this guy? Look, what is he doing?
I'll do it, bro. I'll do it.
How you doing?
What's up, bro? Open your hood, man.
Damn, fucking cute ass fool. Damn, what you reaching for? Fuck.
Bro, I'm reaching for your hood last.
Oh, okay. Probably like a year ago. Broken headlights. Fuck.
Yeah, that happens with those cheap ass headlights, bro. They all do that.
Yep.
Bro, mine broke. I broke like 2 sets too. Mine?
Stupid. They're like
cheap, bro.
stupid quality, bro. Like it's
Cheap.
dumb.
These are really China made, bro. Man,
And it's always right here, this bracket.
Bro, you should just take this whole truck to the junkyard, bro.
Damn, like that, bro.
I'm just
Maybe after the drop.
Oh.
Damn. Fuck. Damn, he's already done. Fuck yeah.
Alright, you ready to go, bro? See you
Fuck
later.
yeah. And it's just gonna cool it like that?
Yeah, bro. Just put the grill on and then a clean.
Oh, it's like those type of Wi-Fi things, Bluetooth?
Yeah, it's Bluetooth.
Oh,
bro.
fuck.
Yeah, this one's a new. It's straight out the box right now, bro. So
That's fucking crazy. Hell
New
yeah.
merch you got coming. Bro, it's Bluetooth, bro. It's like 1,000 though, bro. Installed though. Is that okay?
1,000?
You're the first one. You're the first one testing it, bro. So you let me know if it works. And then if it does, then I'll start charging everybody else.
1,000? You can't do 1,200?
1,200? You gonna give me a tip? Damn, all right, bro. That's cool, bro. I'm down. All right, man. Well, you're good, bro.
All right. You keeping my fucking grill? What the fuck?
Oh, damn, look. Here. Man. Here you go, Chuck. Make sure you don't film the narcotics back there.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, I'm making a hole, bro.
A hole for what?
Fucking broke, bro. Damn, we need a new radiator.
Dude, that shit went straight through my radiator.
Nah, bro, it's good. It's good, bro. I got a good hand. And so when I put your lines through it, bro, it's gonna look nice and fresh. It's not gonna be hanging from down here.
Oh,
You hear me?
okay. Yeah, I got you.
Makes it look
Yeah.
nice and clean.
Yeah. Fresh like your haircut.
Why? What's wrong with my haircut?
No,
bro?
I'm saying it's fresh.
Oh, it looks fresh?
Damn, paranoid. What's that?
Brake cleaner, bro. I was sanding
But
it
it's
up
not
right
brakes.
here. I'm just putting what I need to, bro.
No, put what it needs, yeah?
Nah, bro. You have to go to a little bit extra for you. a little drip.
A little. Alright guys, now we're gonna do something about this fucking tail light. We got some screws here, but I forgot this one's LED, so I need bulbs. Damn. Alright guys, next day here. So we drove home that yesterday with the transcooler and everything, and I don't have a transmission temperature gauge. That's gonna be next, so we could be able to see what the temperature is at. But I did notice that the transmission is shifting a little bit smoother. Not a huge difference, but it's a little bit smoother. Obviously with that big of a transmission cooler, it should be doing a lot of work. So, but I can't wait to actually have a trans temp gauge so we can see what the temperature is actually at. So 100% recommend my boy CNT, one of my sponsors. So go check him out on Instagram at _CNT customs _. So tell him Big O Chubb sent you. Get your trans cooler, rear diff, drop, lift, whatever you need, go get it done from him. But yeah, right now we're gonna head out to the shop. I'm gonna show you guys it a little bit more since I couldn't yesterday because when we got home it was already nighttime. But let's go, guys. One little thing, well, not even little, it's actually a big thing. One thing that I know is happening with my truck right now is I feel like the transmission is, hold up. I feel like my transmission is pretty much like on its way out already. With 196,000 miles on this truck, engine and transmission, who knows when it would give out. That's one of the reasons why I haven't done the cam, because if I do the cam, I'm gonna have to also get like a stage 2 transmission with a badass stall, which doesn't sound bad. Just trying to save up a little bit more, especially with, like, you know, the business. I was trying to grow the business throughout this whole past year, and then especially with COVID and all that, it was pretty bad. So I haven't really had enough time to save money and like dump it on the truck how I would want to. But we still have the cam kit and everything with the ported heads and everything. I just need to go pick it up from garage guy. But we're not too sure if we are going to be going that direction with this truck. We might go a different direction, which we would need a different type of cam. But like I said, I feel like this transmission's on its way out. But hopefully this cooler helps it a little bit more or something, you know? Because one of the main reasons these 4L60s go out is because of heat. So, I don't know. I'm pretty sure this will help. So, if you guys don't have a trans cooler yet, go ahead and get one. Alright, we're at this shop. One of the homies is gonna come pick up his generator right now. Fucking Nico over here and shit. Oh, you can't really see it that well. It's in there though. Trans cooler? Let's see what's up with it.
Fucking mamalón. It's water coke.
What the fuck?
Bro, in the rain, this will be going hell.
Another little brown head. Alright guys. Been working. My boy right here is about to get down. Shout yourself out, bro. Damn, who's that?
This guy.
Pink on white, that looks good.
Pink on white?
Yeah. Oh, Pancho, show yourself out. What do you do next door?
Me? I fucking sit around and
Yell at your employees and shit?
something like that. Fucking get mad all day.
His employee over there fucking working hard, getting paid $100 a week. This dude over here
What the
making
fuck,
thousands
we
a
in
week. So pretty much all the business owners around here are lazy, but I'm over here working. Elka. Damn. Those aren't even up on the website yet. Damn, bro, a little bit more and that was it for your tire.
Oh yeah, race them. Race them.
Nah, you're tuned, liar. Stop lying, you're trying to sandbag them. Damn, sick ass banner. Got my employee over here working with one of the homies.
You see how we're matching?
Huh?
See how we're matching?
Oh, you guys are? Oh yeah, guys, let me show you the cooler more. Look at that thing. I was kind of worried that you won't be able to see it that much because of the grill, but you can see it pretty good. That looks sick. Damn, let me take a picture. Oh, that looks good. Oh, you can see it better from far away. That looks nice. Oh yeah, guys. Oh fuck, dude, my fucking headlights fucked up. I need to get that fixed. Probably go back to regular fucking OEM headlights. Who's who? Bro? That's just fucking badass.
They hit with the brakes on those fucking brakes.
They're fucking badass, dude. Damn, that's fucking sick. He wants to trade me interiors, guys. Should I do it? I don't know. Mine's are ripped and these are perfect, so I'm not really sure if I want these. What the hell?
Hey,
What does that say?
Hold on.
Oh shit. Straight.
Just for now.
But what the hell? GMC steering wheel, Chevy front end. What's going on here? Went from a Yukon XL to a Suburbicon XL. You should get 4 sunroofs. 5 actually.
I'm gonna do 2, bro. When the star's up, shit.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
He has a lot of room for decals. A lot of room for decals. How's it done? It only has like 130,000 miles.
I know.
You leaving?
Yeah.
Alright, peace out, bro.
They're trying to hit the pole.
Don't hit the pole. Alright guys, we're gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, last month to get your entries in. I'm not exactly sure when this video is gonna be out, but hopefully if you guys are still watching, get some entries in. Still 10-time entries, so go ahead and go crazy. Damn, you guys are actually gonna watch this before the truck's paint reveal. No, actually after. Yeah, after. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed how the truck looks. I already seen the paint today actually while I'm recording this video, and it looks freaking amazing, man. I'm excited to pick it up. So see you guys next time. Peace out, everybody. Yeah, let's go. I need to change that light. All right, see you guys later. La de la brown hood. You're good after this truck. Not over there. You got a car over there. All right, you're good. El cut. Chill. We're getting trouble. He's still going. All right, guys, let's go home. See you guys later.